Welcome everyone. In order to add a video from camera roll into Google Slides on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, the first step is you're going to download the Google Drive app. This is free from the App Store. Then you're going to download the Google Chrome app, which is also free from the App Store as well. Now we're going to open up Google Drive. We're going to find the plus. You may need to scroll up. Tap on Upload, Photos and Videos, Recents, and just find the recent video which you want to upload from your camera roll, and then tap on Upload. Now, once everything has been uploaded, we're going to open up the Chrome browser. Do not use Safari, you may have issues, and you're going to go to the Google Slides website. If you're wondering, it is slides.google.com. Tap on the triple dots, find Request Desktop Site, and it seems like it glitched out, so let's go back to the Google Slides, and there we go, we are now on the desktop version of Google Slides. Tap on your presentation. You may have some warnings here, such as the version of your browser not supported. Just tap on Dismiss, and while things are a bit small, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So you need to tap on Insert. So tap on Insert here. We're then going to find Video. And things are a little bit finicky because again we're on a desktop website on our phone. We're going to see Insert Video. I'm going to move to landscape mode. Hopefully that helps. It kind of did. So I'll tap on Google Drive, go to My Drive and find the video in question, and then tap on Select. And then you can resize the video how you want, and you're good to go. If you do not see your video, that means the Google Drive account you uploaded the video on is different to the account you have the Google Slides documents. And with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.